The Empire State is not just a building that is iconic on the United States of America for its height of 104 floors above the street level, or because it is the first skyscraper of the world that was ever constructed. There are some principal values which work as foundation in which Americans tend to live, to act, and to think. Some of them are being superior all the time, finding the greatness in everything they do, and being in control of everything around them. The Empire State Building is a merge of all of them. The Empire State is an important icon because it is the representation of all American values and of how the Americans live by, of how the Americans think the world should be and is. So, starting, the Empire State is an icon that merges diverse values of the American living way. The idea of control, superiority, and greatness are shown in the history of the Empire State Building. Starting first of all with its name, that it is a synonym of the greatness that every New Yorker feels. The building has a favorite nickname of New York, the Empire State, a nickname that evokes how the city is powerful and superior all above the other cities of USA. Second of all, the Empire State Building was thought as the tip of the big city crown. We should start knowing the historic antecedents of the Empire State Building construction, with the recent bankrupt of the principal bank of America, the Wall Street crisis, and the economical depression on its critical point near the 1930s. The American government thought that the construction of the biggest building ever made was the demonstration of the power and superiority of the American society. With a really fast construction of 2 years and the loss of 14 men's lives, the building was completed on 1931 with the cost of almost $41 million price those days. Nowadays, it can be close to $630 million. The government demonstrated that USA was stronger even on crisis times. Third of all, another American value that is implicit on the Empire State Building is control, not only in its geometrical shape that resembles to the social pyramid. It's also because the Empire State Building is the center of broadcasting of the Manhattan Island. On the Empire State facilities there are located several broadcasting sets, as radio station and television sets. That's why the Empire State Building is the main center of media and media spreading all over New York and East Coast of America. To conclude, the Empire State Building is considered one of the modern marvels of the world because it challenged the physical laws and because for its construction it was necessary to discover and implement new constructive security, management, and so systems. The Empire State Building is the result of a story full of dreams and the result of a society capable of everything, the New York society, the American society.